This is LG Direct Drive 6 kg washing machine. Today I'll be showing you the D error. Switch on, set, and then start. It's checking the weight before it starts. D error. This means door error. That means the door is not closed properly. What you can do is switch off the washing machine, open it, and then close it tightly. And now you can restart it. Switch on, set your washing machine to the mode whatever you want, and now you start. Yep. One indication is once when it starts, you can see water flowing. You can hear the water flowing here. That means it's going to start. Yep. Yeah, it started working. Thank you.